Okay, so I just stumbled upon this mind-blowing web app that lets you control 3D models with your hands and voice.
Wait, are you serious? Like you can just say rotate or drag and it actually works?
Exactly. It's using some really cool tech like Threejs for rendering and mediapipe for hand tracking. That changes everything.
That is wild. So you can pinch your fingers to control the model? How does that even work?
Yeah, it's all about gestures. The app recognizes those movements thanks to computer vision tech. I can't believe how far we've come.
I know, right? It's like we're living in the future. But what if I want to import my own 3D model? Is that possible?
Totally. You can drag and drop a GLTF model right onto the page. It's super easy.
No way. So I could create my own models and bring them into this 3D world? That's like digital art on steroids.
Exactly. It's like having a personal playground for 3D design. Just imagine the possibilities.
I'm picturing artists and game developers having a field day with this. Do you need any special hardware?
Just a modern web browser with WebGL support and access to your camera and microphone. It's all web-based.
Wow, that accessibility is huge. You don't often see such powerful tools in a browser.
Right? And it's open source too. This guy, Alan, built it, and he's got other projects that are just as intriguing.
I love open source. So what else does he have going on? I'm curious about those other projects.
He has this tutorial on hand tracking with Threejs and mediapipe, plus stuff like turning logos into liquid effects.
Liquid effects? That sounds mesmerizing. It's amazing how these tools can transform creativity.
Totally. It's like merging technology and art. But hold on. How do you even get started with something like this?
Well, he provides a GitHub repo for developers to clone the project and play around. Super user-friendly.
Oh, that sounds perfect. And you just serve it locally using Python? I love how streamlined that is.
Yeah, just run a simple command and boom, it's live on your local host. Seriously, so easy.
Imagine introducing this to classrooms. Kids could learn 3D modeling while having fun.
Exactly. And think about the engagement factor. It's way more hands-on than traditional learning.
That gives me chills. This could inspire a whole new generation of designers and developers.
And not just designers. It could be a gateway for anyone interested in tech. What a game changer.
Right. And with the ability to animate models too, the storytelling possibilities are endless.
Storytelling, yes, it's not just about visuals, it's about interaction and expression. That adds depth.
So if someone wants to make a short animated film or a presentation, they can do it all here?
Absolutely. You could create a unique visual experience without needing heavy software. That's liberating.
I'd love to see a collaboration come out of this, like artists partnering with developers.
Now that's a thought. It could blend different skill sets and push boundaries in digital art.
Plus, it can reach a wider audience since anyone with a browser can access it. That's inclusive?
Inclusivity is key. Imagine the diversity of ideas and designs we could see. That's a rich environment.
So, circling back to that tech, how do you think the Web Speech API fits into all this?
Great question. It really enhances the user experience, allowing for a more intuitive interaction.
For sure. Speaking commands feels natural, like we're bridging human intuition with digital tools.
Exactly. And that leads to fewer barriers when creating. It's bringing us closer to seamless interaction.
I'm so intrigued by how technology like this could shift creative workflows. What's next?
Well, if this takes off, think about future enhancements. AI could personalize models for users.
That's mind-blowing. Personal AI designers creating 3D assets just for you. What a leap.
The future is exciting. Tools like these pave the way for creativity and innovation we haven't yet imagined.
So, if we piece this all together, we're talking about a revolution in how we create and interact.
Absolutely. Just think of what this could mean for education, art, and tech industries moving forward.
It's exhilarating to think about. I'm left wondering where we'll go from here with this technology.
Right? It really sparks curiosity. I feel like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible.